In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get royalty-free music. Now, there's one website that I found out offers one of the best royalty-free music, and this is Pixabay. Pixabay is widely known for offering free stock images and videos, and as well as we have free stock music. So when you come here, you can see under this bar we have explore photos, illustrations, vectors, videos, and music, as well as sound effects and GIFs. So go to music, and when you tap on music, you can find that we have quite a number of music. You can go by the music genre or type, like Hindi songs, background music, and so many other songs. You can sample out the music by typing the name, for instance, hip hop. If you want the hip hop beats or music, you can just go ahead and tap on it. Here we go. Those are hip hop beats. So under each, you can see the length, and if you open it, you can see this. For instance, this is a 2 minutes hip hop beat. So once you have identified the music that you want, you can go ahead and download it, and you can download it freely using this download option. If I click on it, it will be downloaded direct to my computer, and I can now find it here. Now, the good thing is these are royalty-free music that you can use for your creation, for your YouTube videos, and you can accompany them almost with anything without any issue. That's how you get free royalty music from Pixabay. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.